They're stuck on the top of a cliff on Mars. There's a vertical drop of 2,000 meters to the bottom. Night is falling and it's freezing cold. It will be minus 60 degrees centigrade later. How did they get into this desperate mess? Watch the video and find out. How can they save themselves? That's what you have to figure out.
Ready for the big race?
You bet. What a challenge.
60 kilometres non-stop.
The Martian Reds against the Blue Angels.
My team against yours.
Me and my girls against you and your boys.
It's the greatest sports event on Mars.
On a huge natural skating rink.
Well, not quite natural.
The ice in Korolev crater is millions of years old.
But the ice wasn't fit for skating. Too rough.
Until our engineers made it smooth.
We've got to be careful though.
We sure have. The ice is like concrete. The colder it gets, the harder the ice becomes.
The temperature fell to minus 150 degrees centigrade last night.
You could break a leg if you had a fall.
We're going to arrive a day early to get some practice.
Our team should do that too, but we can't.
Oh, why not?
No transport. Our pilot is in hospital.
No pilot? But it's 2 hours flight from here to the Korolev crater.
The Air Force is sending a relief pilot from Earth.
A relief pilot? Does he know how to fly on Mars?
No, he doesn't, but Myra will teach him.
Myra? You mean the Air Force captain?
She's the big boss now. She also manages the Space Centre and the skating rink.
Great job, Mac. The ice is in perfect shape for the race.
Thanks, Mara. It was a lot of work, but it's ready now.
What was the ice like before you started?
Really rough, hopeless for skating.
So how did you make it so smooth?
We pumped up huge quantities of water on it and let the water freeze.
Where did you get the water? Did you have to melt some ice?
No need for that. Mars has lots of water underground. We just pumped it up.
Well, that worked brilliantly. The red team will be here tomorrow to practice.
I'm worried about their plane. It's too big.
No sweat, Mac. It'll be fine. Look at those two skaters over there.
What about them?
They came in that plane and landed on the ice safely.
That's because it's a small plane. It can land at low speed.
If they can do it, so can the skating teams.
The spacecraft arriving on landing pad 1 is the weekly flight from Earth.
Welcome to Mars, Major. How was your journey?
Very exciting. This is my first time in space.
Thanks for coming. You're just in time for the big skating race.
OK, but how do I get down from here?
I'll come up on the cherry picker and bring you down.
Cherry picker? Are you joking?
This is Mars, Major. Our equipment is primitive.
It certainly is. I've never seen such a basic landing pad. It's tiny.
That's because concrete is very expensive on Mars. Sorry you had to wait for me.
No problem, Captain. But what's that weird plane doing down there?
It's not weird. It's the latest model.
But it looks like it came out of a museum.
No, Major. That's cutting-edge technology.
Do I have to fly that thing?
Yes, sir. And it's my job to teach you.
Teach me? But I've been flying on Earth for 20 years.
Yes, but flying on Mars is completely different.
It's a big plane. How many people does it carry?
Only 12 passengers and 2 crew.
That's incredible. Why so few?
Because the air pressure on Mars is very low. Only 1% of the pressure on Earth.
OK, but those propellers look so old-fashioned.
There's no alternative. Jet engines don't work on Mars because there's no oxygen in the air. Same problem with internal combustion engines.
So, what's the solution?
Electricity. Solar panels on the wings, powering electric motors that drive propellers.
The wheels are enormous. Why is that?
Because Mars has no proper airports. We just clear away the rocks and land on the sand or ice.
So, Elpis, how's it going with Tim?
Great, Cass. He's a really nice guy.
Do you realise that people are talking about you?
Really? What are they saying?
That you shouldn't be messing with him.
Messing? Tim's my boyfriend. What's wrong with that?
He's the captain of the Martian Reds, and you're the star of the Blue Angels. You two are supposed to be opponents.
Oh, we don't care about that.
You don't, but we do. The whole team is worried that you're not serious about this race.
Rubbish. Of course I want the Blue Angels to win. Look, Tim sent me this picture just before we set off.
Oh, so the Martian Reds are at the crater already?
Yes, but the landing was a bit scary.
Scary? What happened?
The plane skidded violently as it touched down.
What caused that?
Tim says the ice is in perfect condition for skating.
Which means that it's too smooth for landing a plane?
That's his theory.
But Elpis, we've got to land on that ice too. I'm getting bad vibes about this race.
Oh, rubbish. This is fun. Now stop being so serious.
I'll stop if we get there alive.
What do you mean?
Think about it. Why are we flying on a Friday?
Because the race is tomorrow, Saturday.
Haven't you noticed the date? Friday the 13th?
Oh, Cass, that's a silly old superstition.
This old crate flies better than I had expected.
Old crate? It's a brand new plane.
It may be new, but I don't understand how it can fly with such low air pressure.
2 reasons. First, gravity on Mars is very low. If you weigh 100 kilos on Earth, your weight on Mars is only 38 kilos.
100 kilos? Come on, I'm not that fat.
No offence intended, Major.
What are you up to, Mac?
I'm roughing up the ice, making a landing strip.
Oh? Why are you doing that?
Because your plane skidded on the ice as you landed.
Well, yes, it was a bit scary.
I'm trying to make it a bit safer for the blue team when they arrive.
It's getting late. Where are they?
They must be almost here. They only have half an hour of flying time left.
What do you mean?
When the sun goes down, no one can fly.
Why not?
Because the solar panels on the wings stop working.
What? But that's dangerous.
Tim, why are you asking these questions?
Because my girlfriend is on that plane.
There it is, the Korolev crater, the greatest tourist attraction on Mars.
Impressive. How was it formed?
A huge asteroid hit Mars millions of years ago.
How big is it?
The crater is 60 kilometres in diameter and contains more than 2,000 cubic kilometres of ice.
What about the rim of the crater?
It's massive. The rim is like a circular mountain chain and it's 2 kilometres above the ice.
Korolev Tower, aircraft 571, 30 miles east at 8,000 feet. Inbound for landing at Korolev.
Aircraft 571. Descend and maintain 7,000. Fly heading 330 until further directions.
Air traffic control told us to descend to 7,000 feet and hold our present course until our final approach.
Aircraft 571 descending now. ETA 10 minutes.
Aircraft 571 XK, stand by.
Look, now you can see snow on the peaks.
Snow? How is that possible if there's no water in the atmosphere?
It isn't water snow. It's carbon dioxide that condenses during the night when it's very cold.
And there's a glacier too.
Yes, but it's not like a glacier on Earth.
What do you mean?
It's a glacier of carbon dioxide ice.
Incredible. I can't believe it.
I can see the glacier. It's really clear. We've been so lucky with the visibility today.
Really? Elpis, I think you need glasses.
Oh, you're right. A dust storm is coming up.
We won't be able to see anything.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad.
Hell, I can't see the crater.
Keep calm. We'll manage.
It's like being in thick clouds.
We don't get thick clouds on Mars, but dust storms are routine. Around 2,000 of them every year.
Do we have to rely on radar and our instruments now?
Yes, we do. No other option.
Our solar panels are not giving enough power.
The dust storm is blocking the sunlight.
Haven't we got a reserve battery?
Yes, but only for 8 minutes.
We'll have to dump the luggage.
Sorry, Major. Martian planes don't carry luggage.
So there's nothing to dump, and we're losing altitude.
Call the tower again.
Korolev Tower, aircraft 571 XK, 50 east at 6,500. Minimum battery reserve.
Aircraft 571 XK. Stand by.
He's telling you to wait. Tell him we can't wait.
Korolev Tower, aircraft 571 XK, unable to stand by.
Aircraft 571 XK. Airport closed. Zero visibility. Fly to alternative airport.
Korolev Tower, aircraft 571 XK, unable, repeat, unable to divert to alternative airport.
The tower hasn't acknowledged our message.
Didn't they receive it?
Probably not.
We're on our own now.
We'll have to attempt a radar landing on the rim.
On the glacier. It's our only chance.
Passengers, co-pilot speaking. Fasten your safety belts. Prepare for an emergency landing.
Sorry, Tim, but I'm closing the airport now. Take your team into the hostel.
But where's the blue team? They should be here.
Their pilot called a few minutes ago. I told him to divert to another airport.
Oh no! They'll miss the big race tomorrow.
Tim, forget the race. Too dangerous in these conditions.
My girlfriend is on the Blue Angels plane. Where are they going?
No idea. They didn't answer my message.
But Mac, I need to speak to her.
Sorry, Tim. There's nothing I can do.
2 minutes left in the battery.
Keep cool, plenty of time.
Look out, rocks at 11 o'clock.
Okay, I've seen them.
Now rocks at 7 o'clock.
Got that. Keep calm.
Passengers, brace for impact. Touchdown. The wheels are on the ice.
All engines in reverse. Full power.
Is there enough in the battery to stop the plane?
1 minute left.
We've stopped. Great job, Major.
With 20 seconds of power left.
An instrument landing on a glacier in a dust storm. You're incredible.
Thanks, but it was pure luck. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Aircraft 571 XK. We have made an emergency landing on the rim of the Korolev crater. Position 72.77 north, 164.58 east. Request urgent assistance.
No one heard us, Major.
Why not?
Because the battery is flat. We used the last of our power to stop the plane.
And now the lights have gone out.
We're just 10 metres from the edge.
What's beyond that edge?
There's a vertical drop of 2,000 metres.
There you are, Kaz. All that Friday the 13th stuff was nonsense.
Really? Are you sure?
The Major made a perfect landing. We're safe now.
Don't you feel something strange?
Yes, but what is it?
The plane is moving! It's slipping on the ice towards the precipice!
What? That can't be true! No, Cass is right. The plane is slipping towards the edge. Meanwhile, everyone at the skating rink hostel is very worried about the Blue Angels. Mac has found the plane. He's got a satellite photo.
Quick, send the rescue helicopter.
Impossible. The dust would wreck the engine.
How long will their oxygen last?
Only 2 days.
What about the storm?
4 days at ground level, but they're at 2,000 metres. Up there, the air will be clear tomorrow.
So they'll be able to charge the battery?
Yes, but the plane is slipping towards the edge.
Do they have any equipment?
Only their skates and oxygen backpacks. No tools.
We need a brilliant idea. Can anyone help?